that it's plugged in. But I can't have this battery plugged in. It wouldn't really let me record then. So it's only gonna be one ride. And I have to go back. Yeah, still seem to be turning off by now, so I think I just can't have it plugged in. Alright, let's go. Yeah, it's recording, so I'm fine. I just can't have this battery plugged in really, because it turns it's talking about like file repairs and stuff. Oh no. Finally maintain the trails, and next time we're gonna come back here is in a couple months. Well, I did that on 2 wheels, right? Pretty good. I slipped off. But yeah, a couple months we're gonna come back here next time, and yeah, I don't really know, because then it's not really gonna be maintained anymore. Got my headlights on. Plugged in, I don't know. Two-wheel drive, I'm not even gonna bother going in a 4. There's that log. Yeah, there we go. I gotta skip. Yeah, I went 32. Can't go faster than that in low. Besides, why just stop, change it into high, and then go back into low? No point. Alright. Come on, 4x4, yes. See, we're gonna just full gas it. Full gas it. Alright, see how you guys this one. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh shit! That was in 2-wheel drive. I slipped at the start. Acceleration would be way faster. Yeah, I just want to do this one fast. Like, just beat the shit, you know? Beat the shit out of it while not going over the limits. You know? Just go a little bit fast, you know? Alright. Oh yeah. It's like stand up, you know, kind of like, or I can just slowly kind of trail ride it, you know. Alright, let's actually call this one. Alright, it's a little deep, not that bad. Alright, here I have to just kind of send it. Oh, not bad. I don't have to send it at all, never mind that. Alright, there's the long. Oh. Am I smoking? Alright. Let's go a little bit slow now, you know, a little slow trail riding. I like a mix of slow and fast trail riding. It's really nice, it's really fun. I don't know why this thing's smoking, but just a little bit, but it's not bad. But alright, it's not that deep. Next time I'm gonna be going on the way back, I'm gonna be in 4-wheel drive, so when I gas out I have a lot of traction. A lot of power and traction. Not gonna full gas it here. Alright, you guys know this spot, kinda. This area. I like this place, but only when the trails are maintained, because we just maintain those trails. No, we just maintain the trails. They're pretty badly unmaintained. I didn't know where to go. There are no tracks, no nothing. It's just like just like a plain forest. You don't even know where you gotta go. You don't even know where you can go. There he's coming. Peter! Where's he going? What? I'm gonna wait for him a little. So now what I'm gonna be doing is four-wheel drive. You know, just for more traction, also just to get more power to the wheels, more, you know, as I said, again, more traction, a little bit more fun, a bit more stability, not slipping out when I'm going fast. I'm actually kind of fine with the fact that this has no power steering. It doesn't bother me. Alright, sorry about that. It's fine. I was adjusting my GoPro. Alright, hold on. Yeah, we're fine, we're fine. We're great, we're great. We're doing this good. Right now we got to go here. Full turn. It's hot. Wow, that's sad. It's not like I'm gonna really be scared about scratching this thing. It's been beat a little bit. It's definitely not the most beat quad in the world, but it wasn't in the best shape. Alright, this, alright, again. This thing has no problem with any traction or stuff. Let's go a little fast off-road, alright, not in the mud though. Right now, alright, I wanted to do this part in two-wheel drive, so I'm gonna do it in two. Yeah, there we go. Two-wheel drive. There we go. Now back in the Fortress. I just wanted to do that one in two-wheel drive, as I said earlier in this video. Oh. Actually not in this video, but yeah. Alright. Wait for Peter. And I want to just, oh yeah, put it on, yes. Oh. She knew she was gonna get sent. Yeah. Here. Oh, okay. You know, just a little bit of that. Alright, finally. Full send, full send. That was a 40 right there. Suck. Water got my damn it. Damn it. We're fine, that was still fun. 40 miles an hour, you guys saw. I went even 37. I even went 37. Sock got a little wet, yeah. That's why you don't go fast in mud or water. This thing's capable. Really freaking capable. Damn. Oh, she's smoking a little. Why is she smoking? I think, yeah, water. You know, when a bit of water gets onto the engine, it's fine. It kind of worries me, I don't know. I mean, it happens, I guess. But that's still kind of uncalming. Not very, kind of worrying though. Let's hope this thing doesn't explode. We go a little bit hard on it. I mean, it's a Suzuki. It was meant for this. If it was a Can-Am, I'd be really worried. Was Can-Am or Polaris? Yeah, Polaris too. It's like, you know, those things break down all the time. Alright. Four-wheel drive low. It's alright. Feel like my channel wasn't as it used to be. I used to ride everything. I used to ride Predator, the Motor for the Explorer, but now I'm really only recording my KINGQUAD. Might have to make a video of my Moto for someday. But anyway, this is the last time with the 90 because now I'm giving back to 90. You know, guys, I have my KINGQUAD now. I used to always drive in the 90, but then I started driving more on the Moto 4, so started driving the 90 a little less, and now I'm giving back to 90. That's why I'm here. Oh well. It was a good day. Go back to the drive. I don't need that.